Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at a classic Nike shoe. It's up there with the likes of the Cortez and the Air Force Ones. The first shoe to really expose its sole, midsole that is. I'm talking of course about the Nike Air Max 1. These specific shoes are the Nike Air Max 1 LV8 in the white and dark teal green colorway. These shoes retail for $150, so definitely on the more expensive side. On to the upper, of course we have a nice soft yet sturdy leather. The midsole feels like it's a lightweight rubber material, while the outsole is just that regular rubber material that we all expect. On to the details of the sneaker. Starting with the tongue, it is a lightweight mesh tongue with the Nike Air Max logo on a patch. The shoe features some classic white flat laces. We also have some plastic lace holes at the top for durability. Interestingly enough, there are no breathability holes anywhere on the shoe, not on the toe box or the side, which means your feet are going to be flaming during the summer. I mean, not really. The only flames you're going to get are going to be the emojis underneath the comments when you post these on the gram. Yes, sir. I mean, who doesn't love a pair of clean Air Maxes? No, but these shoes are low tops and they aren't in an all black leather colorway, so your feet should be fine during the summer. Like I mentioned, these Air Max 1s are the LV8 version, and from what I gathered online, these are like an elevated version of the Air Max 1 OGs. They also have a white swoosh on the toe overlay to differentiate them from the OGs. If anyone has any more info on what the LV8 stands for, definitely write that in the comments and let other folks know, and I'll probably pin it. Nerd. At the rear we have a large embroidered Nike Air logo to let the people behind you know that you're walking on air. Onto the midsole we have a really nice linear design with the exposed air unit of course, and the midsole is thick. For whatever reason I thought the midsole would be a lot thinner than the midsole on the Air Force Ones, because you know that's like the queen of the thickies, but surprisingly these are almost the same size thickness for the most part. Definitely the two baddest thickies from Nike for sure. However, the Air Force Ones are evenly thick throughout the midsole, while the Air Max 1s taper off at the toe area. So the Air Force Ones definitely still hold the title for the thickest OG shoe. For the outsole, the pattern looks like a combination of a Presto and a free run. It's really simple yet busy, and it definitely looks great on the shoe. We also do get a gray removable insole. Curiously, the pattern on the insole is the same as the outsole. It's pretty dope that they matched it. I mean, it's completely pointless, but a cool detail nonetheless. I don't think I've seen it on any other shoe, so it's also really unique. Overall, the Air Max 1 is a timeless sneaker, released back in 1987, and even though it's named the Air Max 1, it's actually not the first shoe to have a fart cushion on it. That honor goes to the Nike Air Tailwind. I actually did a review on the shoes, so definitely go check that out. Now the shoe was designed by the one, the only Tinker Hatfield. If you don't know who that is, he's basically like the Elon Musk of the shoe game. His designs and visions revolutionized the shoe industry, and many of his shoes that he designed back in the day are now iconic shoes of today. Shoes like this Air Max 1, the Air Max 90, the Nike Air Huarache, Jordan 4, Nike Air Mag, Jordan 11s, and Jordan 3s. Basically, if it's a Nike shoe or Jordan shoe and you like it, he probably designed it. He's big brain for sure. He actually said that one of his influences for designing the Air Max 1 was a building in France named the
Centre Georges Pompidou.
Yeah, that building. The design of the building is pretty much inside out. All of the structural and functional elements are placed outside for the world to see. So that's where he pretty much got his inspiration for exposing the air unit, which I thought was really dope. Like I said, big brain. On feet, these shoes feel great. The leather feels really nice around the toe area, and the padded collar gives some nice support after you lace them. They have a bit of a spring-like feel to them from the air unit. It's really slight, but you can definitely feel it. They also do fit true to size, so no sizing issues. Like I mentioned before, the midsole is thickalicious, and it adds about 1.5 inches of height. So for the shorter kings out there, this is a great shoe apart from the Air Force Ones. On my Air Force One video, people were commenting that for shorter guys, these tend to look kind of like clown shoes, just because of that platform-like midsole and the rounder toe box. But because the midsole on the Air Maxes is really just thick around the air unit, it avoids having that platform-like look. So again, for the shorter guys out there, or anyone really just trying to add some height, this is definitely a good alternative to an Air Force One, or a good shoe to get in addition to an Air Force One. So overall, they look good and they feel good on feet. You can definitely never go wrong with a pair of Air Max 1s. Would definitely recommend these shoes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely be sure to like and subscribe if you guys found it entertaining or helpful. I got a new video coming out soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.